Cherokee is one of the top-selling RV lines in the country.
It is literally the top selling, and this past year it almost literally doubled up #2.
Wow.
I mean, they really gained.
Wow.
But you know, it's incredible quality, great layouts. They think through everything.
Last time I doubled up #2, it was right after Taco Bell.
I can't work with him.
Sorry, I go from telling people about Jesus to talking about #2. All right.
So here's an example, right?
Yeah.
It's getting a little wet, but
It's getting wet because it's snowing and
you
melting.
have an outside kitchen. Look at the space it takes up, but you get 2 burners, right? Most don't give you any, or they give you 1. You get a refrigerator, but you also get an ice machine.
That's cool.
And if you've never had one of those ice machines,
I haven't.
I have one that sits on my desk at work because that's how pitiful I am, and it's absolutely amazing.
What kind of ice is it making?
Oh, they're beautiful little round ice cubes.
Okay.
But no,
Yeah,
I mean seriously, it really is an awesome thing to have when you can.
Did you point out the
No,
shower?
I didn't even see that,
Yeah.
because then you can take a shower while you're waiting on your ice.
Yeah. Yep.
No, but you know, if you look at it, that's very handy. It doesn't take up a ton of space, but it's right where you need it to be too.
Right.
You know, a lot of people like to cook outside.
So let's talk about something. Why do you think Cherokee's outselling everybody so much?
I think that when you look at them, there's incredible quality, right? Really well thought through floor plans, and I don't know how they do the price.
Okay.
The price is really strong. I mean, it really is. It's a great price. It's like the door behind you. When you shut the door, it looks like it's all black, right?
Right.
Like black glass, but there's an actual window up there.
Yeah, there's light shining in, so I can see through it now. With the lights out inside, you can't see through that glass.
You know, and this is a stick and tin unit with the nicest door in the industry. You've got the power awning, you've got the lights everywhere, extra lights in the speaker, you know, larger tires and heavier graded.
I mean, look at this window.
Yeah.
That's an amazing window.
That's an amazing window. I mean, they just go a little above and beyond on everything.
Yeah, okay.
But yet the price is not high, you know. It's kind of crazy. The other thing is they have a ton of manufacturing. This is one line right now that we can get for people.
Okay.
You know, if you call today and we don't have it in stock and you buy one, worst case 8 weeks.
Oh, really? Okay.
And most of our lines are out 6 months to a year.
Jeez.
You know, but they're just on top of it. They've got a lot of factories. They've got a really smart purchasing agent, and they just stay on top of it.
Great. Cool. Should we get inside?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. So your solid steps here, more temporary steps down there, but we talked about those earlier. It's a nice big space right here.
It is. It's just enormous. You know, I mean, this is a travel trailer, but it literally feels like more of a park model.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's nowhere near that weight. You know, but just look in the back. You're seating 8 people comfortably, very comfortably. You're seating 8 people.
Right.
You've got extra bed space, which is incredible. You know, to sleep people. The chairs are very comfortable. Try one out, Dave.
I might not get back up. The opposing slides are great because you're.
Oh yeah.
You know,
the floor space is absolutely amazing.
Oh well, I've got 2 back. See, here's the cool thing. You pull these out. They're not hooked down, so I can pull this out, do this. Oh yeah.
No, really, they're nice chairs.
Yeah, and I could go back further, but.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's you got a fireplace back here, TV. All kinds of stuff. I mean, it's a super nice coach.
Now I can't see it from here. Is this TV set on top, or does it come out of that?
It comes right up out of here. Yeah, I would show it to you, but you know, I never have luck with those things.
Yeah, this is.
And you know what's really nice? Like I said outside, how they think through the floor plans. This is like that open floor plan everybody wants in their homes right now.
Right.
You know, literally, while I'm cooking, I could still be talking to my entire family.
Yep.
You know, everybody can enjoy the same space. That's as big as this space is. It's kind of amazing.
Yeah.
You've got central air conditioning. Just in here, there's 2 airs. There's an air right here, and then there's one over there by the refrigerator.
Yeah. Again, that's an awesome window.
Oh, it is. Yeah, it's just amazing.
Oh, nice. I didn't even notice this when we walked in. Little bar space. So you got 8 people there, 2 here, all watching the same game.
Yeah, exactly. And then you've got 4 more over at the dinette. They can't see that, but every one of them comes with a cutting board.
Okay.
On the back, which I absolutely love. I think that's really cool. Very large refrigerator. All the appliances everybody else has. You know, and they do. That's the farm style sink.
I love that, the color,
Yeah,
the dark.
yeah. Just I mean, just absolutely amazing how they're just ahead of everybody.
Yeah. These look nice with the clear, the clear cabinets. The cool thing is it's a clear cabinet, but it's still textured enough that even if
see
it doesn't
what's
look
in
great
there.
back there, you can't
Right.
really tell it's a mess.
Exactly.
That way you don't have to worry about keeping stuff that normally doesn't need to be cleaned up.
That's the one. That is a huge selling feature on so many Cherokees.
This right here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the big walk pantry. You know, I mean,
Yeah.
it's just people love it.
You can keep a lot of stuff in there.
And you know what? You can actually put a sweeper on the side. And you're like, why do you want to put a sweeper?
Yeah.
Everybody's always trying to figure out, where do I put my broom and dustpan and where
Right.
do I put my sweeper?
There it
You
is.
actually have space.
Yeah. That's cool. Big old refrigerator.
It's also it also has a battery.
Uh-huh.
Where you can turn the battery off, which is a huge deal
This here?
because if you don't, with these things, all the electronics, something's always drawing on your battery,
Right.
and then you go to use it, and the darn thing is
Okay.
not good.
That's good. So it's an easy turn off right there?
Yeah, yeah,
Nice.
and then you literally nothing's pulling off your battery. I'm gonna walk by the bathroom. You can walk in, but it's
All right.
again just beautiful.
Oh, yeah. It's a tri-slide, I think. Oops, come on, there we go. So there you go. So what you call it, a tri-slide?
Yeah, are you getting in?
You want
We
me
get
to
a lot
get
of
in?
requests, people, for you to get in the shower. I don't know why.
Well, because it's
Oddly enough, they always ask that you stay clothed too.
and lock him in now. All right, so I will tell you this. I'm 6 foot, so a couple options here. You stay back here in the skylight to give you a little more room, or you sit and take a shower. Just sit there and take a shower while you're sitting down and getting comfortable. Again, it's a big shower, like this way, side to side. You got plenty of room. Not quite as high as some of them, but still enough room with, especially with this, that if you need to sit down at times or whatever to make the shower fit you, you're okay in this shower. Nice big sink in here. Holy moly!
Yeah, engage why we transition. Shoot through that living room and kitchen. Check that out, guys. I mean, that is a ton of space. You see the blue accent lights, right? Most of the inside of this interior is gray, black, and white. Absolutely beautiful, very, very modern looking. But the space is, if it looks big on camera, wait till you see it in person.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. I'm often worried about that. Will people actually get how big the space is?
Yeah, because it's pretty massive.
Close the bathroom door because we got a sliding door here to give us a little more space.
This is a very large wardrobe. I mean, it's deep.
Yeah.
You can put shirts in there. Very nice size. Same thing on both sides of the bed.
Yep.
And at the bottom, just as deep.
Yeah. And then your door to get out if you need to get out.
Yep. So you've got 2 different ways to get in and out of the coach. God forbid you ever had an emergency, you do have the backup way. But again, just tons of storage in this thing. Space for another TV in the bedroom if you want one. But just absolutely amazing space. Mattresses are very comfortable in these too.
Are they?
Yeah, it's just, I mean, this is meant to be a stick and tin unit, but it's so far above most stick and tins, and again the
No,
price
what's stick and
is,
tin? I haven't heard that yet.
they're built like a house, right?
Okay.
So they literally have wood studding in the walls, and then aluminum siding on the outside.
Right.
They've got fiberglass insulation, paneling on the inside, so built just like a home.
Okay.
So they call them stick and tin.
Nice.